If you want to hide photos or videos on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we're gonna go to the gallery. Once you open the gallery, you can, for example, open the photo or video that you wish to hide, tap on these three dots, and then press Add to Album. And then over here we can press Private Album. Also, you can press and hold your finger on one item and then select multiple things at once. So let's say I'm gonna choose a couple of different photos and videos. And then we can press Add to Album at the bottom, and once again we can choose Private Album. If you select this option, you might see this information that in order to view the items you made private, we need to swipe down in Albums. So let's press OK. We need to set up the privacy protection password. So let's say I'm gonna choose something like this, and then once again, and then let's go next. Yeah, you might be asked to use Xiaomi account to be able to reset the password. I'm gonna choose Not Now. And there we go. We have created the private album. Now, in order to find those hidden photos and videos, we need to switch to albums over here and swipe down in order to open private album. And of course, we need to enter our privacy password, and there we go. We have our hidden photos and videos. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.